Hi, I'm Dr. Russell Brown from the Qantas medical team. Understandably, we're getting a lot of questions from our customers at the moment asking us one simple question in particular, and that is it safe to fly? The simple answer is yes, but I'd like to run through some of the common questions that we're getting to give you an understanding of why. The World Health Organization and Australian health authorities say the risk of contracting the coronavirus on board an aircraft is very low and similar to that of other public spaces. For those who are still nervous about the quality of air on board a plane, you can be reassured by the fact that all modern commercial aircraft are fitted with hospital-grade air filters that take over 99% of particles out of the air, including bacteria and viruses. This is the same quality that is used in hospital operating theatres. The Centre for Disease Control in the United States says the cabin air environment is not conducive to the spread of most infectious diseases. It's important to remember the coronavirus is not spread through the air. It is spread through droplets from an infected person's mouth or nose. Generally, for the virus to spread in any setting, you need to have touched an unclean surface and then touch your mouth, eyes or nose. So the best thing people can do to protect themselves is maintain good hand hygiene and avoid touching your face. In terms of what you can do for yourself, it's all about personal hygiene, and the most important thing to avoid catching any virus, be it this coronavirus, the flu, or common colds, is wash your hands and avoid touching your face. The best thing you can do is to have a chat to our crew if you are concerned. Our crew are highly trained to deal with a number of scenarios and will be happy to help. We have procedures in place to manage any passenger who becomes unwell during a flight.